Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news, gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notification when the story drops. Why Davido will lose his son? Davido to Chioma, I'll get you pregnant again. Davido's secret wife revealed. Peruzzi and Ceec Breakup. These are the gist I'll be bringing to you today. So there's a report making the rounds from Kemi Oluloyo. She says Davido has a secret wife since 2017. This is the full gist. Nigerian journalist Kemi Oluloyo has alleged that singer Davido is already married. According to the controversial journalist, in an Instagram post, which she has since archived, Davido got married to his second baby mama Amanda in 2017. Oluloyo also shared the photo of a man and Davido claiming the man is Amanda's dad. She said, "Rich baby shower, Davido and his first father-in-law, Togolese American Mr. Toko Salam, Amanda and Salam Adeleke style during their parlor wedding in 2017. Swipe to see how Amanda, aka Amaka, aka Mama Ali, who Davido hid her real name from you for years, dropped a disturbing message to Chioma today. She ain't happy. I blew her cover. She and Chioma don't talk. Teko did not let Adeleke impregnate his daughter without a ring. I told you 2 years ago that Adeleke is already married. Chioma will be the second wife. A big wedding is planned outside. DJ Adeleke's new Gulfstream jet will be used to wash him. He just paid for it fully. Davido was teasing his fans with it. Dad owns the jet. Family gets bigger when Deji Babaolowo, 28 years old girlfriend, delivers his baby this month, I think. That baby was due Valentine. Sophia. He remained the baby mama, go marry someone else and have another kid. So this write-up was released by Kemi Oluloyo, claiming Davido is already married. So still on the news, Davido told Chioma, "You are too beautiful and I'm getting you pregnant again." Davido is ready to get Chioma the Chef pregnant again 4 months after birth of their first son. The singer revealed this while reacting to the gorgeous picture Chioma shared on her Instagram page. Gushing over Chioma's picture, Davido said, "You are so sexy, I'm getting you pregnant again. I love you, my dear wife. Whoever near you, you're 6 feet." So still in the news, why Davido will lose his son to another man according to Igbo tradition. Davido reacted to tweet about losing his son to another man according to Igbo tradition. Nigerian superstar David Adeleke, also known as Davido, has responded to Twitter user who said he could lose his son Davido Jr. to another man who marries his fiancée Chioma if he doesn't quickly do the needful with her. According to Igbo tradition, this is coming after Davido took to Twitter to advise single men to never sleep with their girlfriend, but rather make the ladies want to sleep with them. Reacting to Davido's tweet, a Twitter user identified as Muscos wrote, "Are you married? Are you still on hire purchase? Till you do the necessary things as Igbo tradition demands. If another man marries your wife at this point, you will lose your son to that man. That is our tradition, bro." And Davido replied, "He will die." The singer, who engaged his Igbo bride Chioma since last year, is yet to officially tie the knot. I don't know what he's waiting for, but I hope Davido doesn't lose his fiancée and his son totally. So still on the news, Peruzzi hints at breakup with baby NAIJA Ceec. He said, "She's dead to me. I fell in love with the wrong person. She's dead to me." Peruzzi hints at breakup with baby NAIJA star Ceec. It seems there's trouble in Peruzzi and Ceec paradise. As a singer, Peruzzi has taken to social media to hint at the breakup Ceec, whom he reportedly started dating last year. The singer has been making some cryptic posts on social media indicating a breakup, and fans are concerned that their relationship might be over. Recall a few weeks ago, the singer had shared that his lover was doubting his loyalty. Now this, Peruzzi has taken to his Instagram page to share a post saying, "Baby, I wrote you a funeral song because you're dead to me." In the second post, he stated the reason for the breakup, saying, "Fell in love with the wrong person, so I'm jumping out of it. First thing tomorrow morning." I hope this is not true. But on the other hand, we all know CC is a very strong-willed person, and it's not easy being in a relationship with that kind of person. So I wish Peruzzi the best of luck. So guys, this is the end of today's broadcast. Please, if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when the story drops. Thank you and God bless.